Hey, what's up? Welcome to Degen Ed. That's degenerative education, meaning none of this is financial advice. Just me having fun looking at charts like the chart behind me, which is of Unity Software, ticker symbol U. And so I wanted to go over this chart because it did come up in a live stream a few days ago, and I noticed this pattern that looks really cool. It looks like it might be at or near a bottom. And so I am recording this on Wednesday, June 19th, after Unity did close on Tuesday at a price of $16.08, being down about 2.3% on the day, but going up to about 16.10 in the after hours trading. So we're looking at price right around 16 bucks. Did hit a low on Monday of $15.97. So looking pretty low, actually being a 52-week low, and I think in fact that is the all-time low. So it doesn't seem that great. It does seem like it's been beaten down a lot, but if you do notice that I do have this downtrending channel drawn up on the chart, which is just based on one standard deviation of the price range going back to let's see, May 11th of 2022. If I do zoom in on the chart there, you can see this gap down to that level. And then following that, price has more or less resided in this channel. And every time that price has been in the bottom or red region of that channel, it has offered nice dip buying opportunities, even if it didn't get all the way to the bottom. Right here on July, the beginning of July of 2022, we saw from there an upside rally of about 84%. But even just going to the top of that channel, that's about a 55% swing. Here, it looks like we hit lows around November 9th of 2022. Price didn't even make it all the way up to the top of that channel, but that does represent an over 90% swing to the upside. And yeah, so I feel like that pattern has just been repeating itself. It has been forming lower lows as well as lower highs. So, maybe not the best long-term hold, but considering that we're right around the bottom of that channel, I could see it being a pretty nice dip buying opportunity. Also, with the RSI looking like it's oversold, and with price putting in lower lows, whereas the RSI does appear to be putting in higher lows, that is bullish divergence, so a bottom could be in or near. And if we do take a measurement from right around the current price up to the midpoint of that channel, that represents a more than 60% move to the upside. Going to the top of the channel, that represents a more than 100%. Here, looking like about 130% move to the upside. So, maybe we see that, although maybe we do see it go lower. Maybe it could be coming down to around $15 a share. That would coincide with more or less the exact bottom of that channel. But I could see that $16 a share being a nice discount, and maybe a good trim level would be around, $32 or, $38 a share right around the top of that channel. So yeah, I think it looks really, really good. And I do think eventually, I suspect we will be breaking out of this channel to the upside, because it is downtrending. Those do tend to break to the upside. And if we do break to the upside, I'm just going to switch over to the weekly time frame. We could see this low here from September of 2020, right around a price of $66 a share. And so I could see that if price were to break out of this channel to the upside, if it doesn't bump into resistance around 57, corresponding with a double top here, it might be getting up to $66 a share. So just lots of upside with this one, even though it has been bleeding for, let's see, going back to the highs here were hit at the end of December. So really, just the entire year of 2024 so far, prices come down about 63%. And with that being said, I think that there's a lot of upside for the second half of 2024, but we'll have to wait and see. As you know, those are just my thoughts. If you found them helpful, make sure you like the video, share your thoughts in the comments down below, and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thanks a lot for watching.